Round 22 begins. Both teams scoring points in auto. Both outposts active. And the Blue Alliance bot securing the early lead for the Blue Alliance. At the start of Telly, Red will have the initiative. Blue scoring some final points before their hub deactivates, leaving Red the opportunity to close the gap. They're not that far behind. Will they catch up? We certainly hope so. All these bots performing to their maximum capacity. We want to see a good close match. The blue hub illuminates. And now the blue team expanding their lead. The Heart of the Sea and Frankly 2.0 taking shots at the hub. And now the red hub is illuminated. Their bots, Monk, Scylla, and the Spicy Chihuahuas maneuvering into position. Monk securing points for the Red Alliance. Scylla firing on target, just short. And now they're dialed in. Right as the phase changes, back to the Blue Alliance. We have fuel coming from the outpost. While the bots gather and fill their hoppers. Plenty of fuel everywhere to be found. And going into the end game, Blue 72, Red 45. Red scoring points, catching up, closing the gap. Blue will need to answer back. Blue is going for a traversal. It looks like there are two going for a traversal on Blue. With 3 seconds remaining in the round. And we have at least one traversal on the blue team. Official. The Blue Alliance wins round 22, 98 points to 75. Coming in just under the 100-point threshold for Supercharged, they will be taking 3 ranking points for the victory.